How to fix can't hear WhatsApp voice messages. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you need to force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to close the app, and then simply open the WhatsApp app again and listen to the voice message again. If it's still not working, you can simply check the volume level. Simply open up your control center and make sure your volume is turned off. Now you can open WhatsApp again and try listening to the voice messages. If it's not working, you can simply try adjusting your screen time settings. Open up settings in your mobile device. Scroll below, simply tap on screen time. Inside your scroll below again, tap on content and privacy restriction and make sure you toggle this button on. After that, make sure you tap on allowed feature and apps and make sure everything is set to allow. If it's still not working, you can try a force restart. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo shows, you can simply release the side button and now your phone will restart. After restart, you can simply open WhatsApp again and check if you can hear the voice messages. If it's still not working, it might be a hardware problem, so you can visit a app store or an authorized service center for assistance. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.